And now it's taken more than 2 weeks for the Maharashtra government to move against Praveen Togadia for his hate speech made in Nanded on 22nd January. Even as an FIR has been filed, demands are growing to treat the Togadia case on the lines of Akbaruddin Owaisi case to send a strong message to hate mongers. The question is, will Togadia be arrested?
18 days after Praveen Togadia made a hate speech at Nanded, Maharashtra police have booked the VHP leader under charges of trying to incite communal hatred. The FIR comes after Togadia's speech triggered strong political reactions.
We can't have two double standards. One standard for Akbaruddin Owaisi and the other standard for Praveen Togadia. These kinds of hate speech ultimately encourage people to take up the path of violence.
But like in the case of MIM MLA Akbaruddin Owaisi, demands are being made for Togadia's arrest.
A hate speech by the MIM MLA in Andhra, for that he has been arrested. Now the law must take a similar position as far as anybody else who makes that sort of hate speech.
Yet the VHP leader remains defiant and unapologetic.
सर, पर कहीं ना कहीं बहुत लोग नाराज भी हैं, जैसे आप बोलते हैं काफ़ी चीज़ों के बारे में, तो आपको नहीं लगता कि हिंदुत्व में ऐसे
हमारे साथ कोई नाराज नहीं। हमारी सभाओं में तो 5000 से लेकर 1 लाख लोग आते हैं और इतना बड़ा समाज है और लोकतंत्र है, तो लोगों के अभिप्राय भिन्न हो सकते हैं। उनके अर्थ के सबको विरोध में हो गए। हम सब समर्थन में ऐसा भी नहीं मानते, उसका अर्थ के सब विरोध में है ऐसा भी आप यदि अभिप्राय दे रहे हैं तो अभिप्राय आपका एकांगी है।
The BJP too is avoiding a direct reply.
So in the case of Mr. Praveen Togadia is what the DPJ spoke yesterday, and today is likely that the case is going to be registered. Documents on that.
I think the reply of this question will be given by the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, not by the Bharatiya Janata Party.
But questions are being raised over the delay by the Maharashtra government in initiating action against Togadia. And is merely filing an FIR enough to deter a VHP leader who has no regret for his provocative speech? Bureau Report, Times Now.